What are the best choice condo unit that you can choose? Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. We help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1999, condo for 4999 and landed for 9999. In 2025, if you wish to buy a 2-bedroom unit that is less than 10 years old, price within 2.2 mil, within city fringe, what are the best choice condo unit that you can choose? Well, there are Cityscape at Farrer Park, Fulcrum at Fort Road, Starlight Suite at River Valley, Marine Blue at Marine Parade, and Spottiswoode Residences. Or you can choose 26 Newton, which is the unit that I am currently marketing, and I will show you why. This is a place that is close to 2 MRT stations, which is mainly the Novena and also the Newton MRT station. There are multiple shopping malls at Novena and also Orchard Shopping Belt, which is very close to 26 Newton. It is also 1 km to ACS and within 2 km to many reputable schools. So let me show you the unit. So if you wish to view this unit, right, feel free to DM or WhatsApp to me for viewing arrangement. Do share and like and also check out our Google review and follow us for more interesting content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.